Every block on the Cardano blockchain starts with a summary, a compact snapshot of its contents. But here's something to think about. What happens when that summary, also called the header, grows or shrinks? I'm Stephanie from Two Lovelaces and Lido Nation. Today we're looking at max block header size, the parameter that determines the maximum size of a block's header. While it might sound like a technical detail, it's an important part of how Cardano balances efficiency, security, and scalability. Whether you're a blockchain enthusiast or an investor, understanding max block header size reveals just how much thought goes into keeping the network running smoothly. So what exactly is max block header size? Think of the block header as the front page of a report. It's where you'll find the essential details like timestamps, references to previous blocks, and the transaction hashes. The maximum block header size sets the limit on how much data this summary can hold. So why does it matter? Well, it's all about balance. A larger block header can store more information, which could improve the network's ability to process transactions efficiently. But there's a trade-off. Larger headers require more computational resources to validate and propagate blocks across the network. That could slow things down and make the network less accessible. On the flip side, a smaller block header reduces the burden on computational resources, making the network faster and easier to manage. But it limits the information each block can carry, which might cap transaction throughput. That is the constant balancing act of blockchain design. So let me give you an analogy. Imagine you're packing for a trip. A larger suitcase lets you take more things, but it's heavier to carry and harder to fit in small spaces. A smaller suitcase is lighter and more convenient, but you'll need to make some tough choices about what to leave behind. For Cardano, max block header size is like choosing the perfect suitcase. The goal is to optimize efficiency without sacrificing security or scalability. This is why the parameter is so carefully calibrated. It reflects Cardano's commitment to staying nimble while preparing for a growing user base and increasing transaction complexity. Before you go, please enjoy our Parameter Song of the Week from Suno.ai, all about max block header size.
Every block starts with a story to tell, a snapshot of the chain where it all gels. The header's small but mighty, it sets the tone, guiding a chain as the system grows. Whoa, balance in the block where the magic lies. Max block header size keeps it synchronized. Not too big, not too small, just right, keeping Cardano's future bright. And more, a gateway to the data, the blockchain's core. Big ones carry plenty, but slow the stride. Small ones keep it nimble, but limit the ride. More balance in the block where the magic lies. Max block header size keeps it synchronized. Not too big, not too small, just right. It's like packing for a trip, choosing what to bring, a careful calculation.